Hello, this is my review for the Hoover Turbo Power Cylinder Vacuum. It is A-class energy rated. As you can see, it has a really long hose which reaches up to an average 13 stairs. It is 700 watt, but with its multi-cyclonic technology it seems a lot higher wattage as it picks up brilliantly. The suction is fantastic. It's a simple one-touch power button, and also the cord simply recoils at the touch of a button. It has a easy empty function, which is simply press, take to your bin, press the release button, rubbish empties, and then you replace. It also does have a filter at the back here. That's washable, so it can easily be washed every few washes to make it last a bit longer. It does have, it's also a carpet cleaner, so it does have the extra attachments there. I haven't quite used those yet. It also has several other attachments, as you can see, which are brilliant. They'll work great. The lead does have a press button, so you can lower that and higher it as you will. It's adjustable. That's about it really. It's a brilliant Hoover. Thank you very much.